Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the ramen with the link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one, thanks to Ferengi, all the way from Australia. This is a Thai, like Thailand, collaboration, Nongshim, Shin, Ramen, Tom Yum, Jayfai. Jayfai is a Michelin-starred chef in Thailand. There you go. Look at that. It's the stir-fry version, too. This is a dry tom yum. And I believe, what, 2 minutes? Two minutes. Okay. So what we want to add in here is the noodle and the flake. And I'll show you those in a second. There's the flake. I'm curious about that. And the noodle. And back on the heat. And here we go. And you can watch it cook. So it comes with this. This is kind of... There's that. And you'd think that's just regular Shin stir fry, but it's not, because you also get this, which is the Jayfai liquid base. It's a tom yum paste, so we'll see how it goes. I'm really curious about this. It'll either be great or it's gonna be freaking filthy. I'm going with great. So we're gonna cook it. We're gonna drain it, saving a little bit of water. Add the water back in. Add the other sachets in. Stir it up, and away we go. So that's the deal. And I even went and I got Thai basil, so I hope you enjoy. That's what I'm doing right now. I got other things. Fish ball. Let's see how this goes. I'm very curious today. I'm so curious, and I've got laser eyes. I do. Oh, this is way too up-tempo. One thing. Okay, so first things first, we gotta drain the noodle. Oh, you don't need to be in the water. Oh, it's got the Shin. I forgot about that. It's got the Shin imprinted Kamaboko. I think that's kind of weird. Add a little bit of water. I wonder if it's just the tom yum that ends up in this. Like just a little bit of tom yum paste, and that's the whole deal. I am really curious about this one. There are two of them. There's this, and then there's the stir fry, and then there's the one with broth. I have the other one as well. I also have the stir-fried cheese. So I've got two different stir-fried tom yum and a stir-fried cheese. So, and I mean, the tom yum, the stir-fried tom yum, the Shin tom yum. Oh, you know what I'm talking. All right. See what we end up with. This could be good or bad. Either way, I'm fascinated. Feels like it doesn't want to mix right. So this kind of looks like it's going to end up being almost like a Bulldogian kind of element. I don't know. Well, let's find out. I'm very curious about this. Oh, there's... Is that goo or is that... That's base. Ooh. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, yes, I was playing with my food. Maybe that's a pepper. No. Whoa. All right. The noodle and the Shin. The Shin and the Thai. Let's find out. I don't know. Oh, come on, you're on shuffle. Wow, that has a kick to it. Does it have a tom yum flavor to it? Certainly does. Does it seem like Shin as well? Yeah. The main question, do I like it? I don't know. Would I recommend you go all the way to Thailand to go to a 7-Eleven to get some of this? Absolutely. What's this? Cabbage? I don't know. The veg is interesting, I will say that much. Fishball, I know it's Thai. Fishball isn't really all that Thai, is it? But I like fishball. Whoa. And I also like to have room. Ooh. They don't usually do this. Is that flowering? It is. Yes. Oh, don't run away from me. A little bit of Thai basil with a flower top. I love that. Yes. You use some fried onion. I think that would work well here. I'm almost tempted to do a mukbang of this, but I don't know. It's not hot enough. I mean, it's hot, but man, I just don't really feel in the mood to do a mukbang today. Yeah, some seeds will look nice. Would I add egg to this? No. Would I add cheese? Hell no. Oh, get back on it. Yeah, I'm enamored. This is fascinating stuff. Crushed red pepper? No. Yeah. Just to set off the fish ball a little. Pokeballs. They're polka dotted now. There you go. Ah, Thailand. The land of smiles. Eee. Well, my friends, thank you so much for joining me today. You know, a little like, a little subscribe, really makes me happy. You're gonna see more cool stuff soon, and that'll be like tomorrow, so watch out for that. I wonder, is this coming out on the 4th of July? It might be. Well, if it is, happy 4th of July. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully we still have a country left. I'll leave that alone. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.